So ito yung wall clock na nabili namin sa IKEA. This is IKEA Chala. It's a battery operated wall clock. Kailangan nating battery is 1 AA battery. Okay, this one is made in Belarus. Now let's put the battery on. Oh, it's quiet. There's no ticking sounds. This is the first time na nakakita ako ng battery operated clock na continuous ang movement ng second hand niya. Compare mo yan dito sa clock with a ticking and jumping second hand. But this one is completely silent. So it's a good clock overall from IKEA. Thumbs up. It's perfect for the bedroom because it's completely silent. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.